Most of us who expect to get money back file our taxes early. We don't wait till April. But tax code changes are leading to some big surprises this year, and not the good kind. Leslie May's got some expert advice on how to avoid the shock. Leslie.
Yeah, Mike, tonight I spoke with one woman who says she is not happy to see her tax refund essentially vanish altogether. She now owes the government more money than she ever expected. And while this won't be the case for everyone, tax accountants say you should familiarize yourself with the tax code changes and then prepare.
I feel ambushed. I feel like this is just horrible. Wasn't expecting it at all.
West Hartford resident Christina Jackson just filed her 2018 taxes and says her new tax bill is like an attack.
Not enough money was taken out, so I'm going to owe a lot of money, and I've never had to pay before.
The marketing professional says this year she owes the government thousands of dollars thanks to the new tax law, joining 30 million Americans who will need to pay this year instead of getting a refund. Tax refunds also expected to be 8.4% lower this year, according to data from the IRS.
I didn't think it would be this bad. It's bad, and I think a lot of people are going to be really upset when they get their taxes done.
Accountant Steve Pelletier says this tax season he's already seen some of that same shock.
Some of them don't take it well because they were so looking forward to what they could be doing with that chunk of change.
But he says the bigger tax picture for many may actually be better long term.
So all in all, you're not paying as much taxes as you were in previous years. Even though you don't see it in your refund, you see it in your paycheck every period.
Changes Pelletier says filers should prepare for: the elimination of itemizing for unreimbursed business expenses like relocation or mileage, as well as a cap on property tax deductions. But for individuals, he says the key to get ahead of things for next year is to check your withholdings at work.
You've got to put in a new W-4 and tell your employer they want you to withhold an extra $50, $100 a pay period.
And Steve Pelletier says if you are one of those people who relied on unreimbursed expenses, consider approaching your employer or the companies that you're in business with to see if you can work out a partnership where they contribute to some of those costs so you're not responsible for them on your own. Leslie Mays, NBC Connecticut News.